We almost know everything there is to know about the upcoming iPhone SE 4, but there's still one big mystery that remains unsolved. Can you take a guess at what that mystery is? That's right, it's the iPhone SE 4's color palette. But don't worry, we've got all the information you need and we'll dive into the possibilities together. Let's break down the potential colors we might see based on Apple's past trends and the latest rumors circulating. But before we get into it, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give this video a like to stay updated on all things Apple. When we look back, Apple has always kept things relatively simple with the color options for the SE lineup. The first generation iPhone SE, which was launched in 2016, came in 4 colors: silver, space gray, gold, and a popular rose gold. Fast forward to the second generation in 2020, and Apple chose to simplify the color choices even further by offering only black, white, and product red. This streamlined approach carried over to the third generation SE in 2022. These consistent, minimalist color options reflect Apple's goal of making the SE series both accessible and straightforward, offering just the essentials while still maintaining a sleek, modern look. Rumors are circulating that the iPhone SE 4 might take on the design of the iPhone 14, which could lead to some exciting changes in its color options. The iPhone 14 is currently available in a range of colors, including midnight black, starlight white, blue, purple, and product red. If Apple decides to carry these same colors over to the SE 4, we could see a refresh of vibrant and appealing hues. This move could not only offer customers fresh options, but also help Apple reduce production costs by utilizing the existing color palette from the iPhone 14s. However, it's important to note that no official information has been confirmed at this stage, so we'll have to wait and see. One thing that seems almost certain is that we will see at least 3 colors in the upcoming iPhone SE 4. Looking at Apple's past trends, black, white, and product red have been consistent favorites for the SE lineup, so it's highly likely that they will make a return in this new iteration. Data from SAP indicates that midnight black, or simply black, was the top choice for the iPhone SE 3 2022, with a significant 72% of buyers selecting this color. Product red also performed well, making up 18% of the sales, while Starlight White claimed 10%. These numbers highlight the enduring popularity of these 3 colors, making it a strong possibility that Apple will stick with them, while also possibly introducing new shades inspired by the iPhone 14's vibrant lineup. By the way, we'd love to hear your thoughts on this. What colors would you like to see in the iPhone SE 4? Let us know in the comments below. In addition, disappointing news has emerged from the well-known leaker Digital Chat Station regarding the battery capacity of the upcoming iPhone 17 Air and Samsung S25 Slim models. According to this trusted tipster, the ultra-slim design, with a sleek thickness of only 5 to 6 mm, unfortunately comes at the expense of a larger battery size. The anticipated battery capacity for these devices is expected to be between 3,000 and 4,000 mAh, which is relatively small for flagship smartphones. This could prove to be bad news for users who place a high priority on battery longevity and are looking for devices that can last through long hours of usage. Moreover, this raises concerns about how these devices will manage heat dissipation and maintain their battery life, especially given that these models are expected to feature high-performance flagship processors that tend to generate substantial heat during heavy use. On the other hand, domestic manufacturers have been placing an increasing emphasis on larger batteries in their devices for quite some time, with several ongoing operations pushing the boundaries of innovation and setting new trends in the industry. As technology continues to advance, many companies are now actively exploring the possibility of integrating significantly larger batteries, specifically those in the range of 5,000 mAh or more, into ultra-thin and lightweight devices. Although nothing is officially confirmed at this stage, the clues provided by these developments give us a fairly good indication of what we can expect to see in the near future from these manufacturers. What do you think about the potential color choices for the upcoming iPhone SE 4? Do you believe Apple will take a bold approach with vibrant, eye-catching colors, or will they stick to their traditional classic color palette that fans know and love? We'd love to hear your opinions, so make sure to share them in the comments below. And while you're here, don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for all the latest news and updates on upcoming Apple products. With that being said, we'll catch you in the next video.